The person I have chosen to introduce to you is Marie Curie. She was a woman I particularly admire and who has done a lot for science. The youngest of five children, Marie Curie born in Poland on November 7, 1867 in Warsaw. His father was a mathematician and his mother was a teacher. When she was a teenager, she chained up small jobs to save money. It was at the age of 24 years old that Marie Curie joined her sister in Paris to continue her studies in mathematics and physics. She was studying at the Radium Institute of the Pasteur Institute and in the University of Paris, where she will meet her husband Pierre, who was her teacher. They get together, get married, and at the age of 31 years old, with Pierre, they discover a new chemical element that they will call polonium in reference to its country of origin. In the early of 1900, she developed a technique for treating cancer. Its principle is to irradiate a tumor with radioactive substance. This method is still used today in the 21st century. At the time of 36 years old, the scientific is awarded a Nobel Prize with her husband, who died 3 years later in traffic accident. 5 years after the terrible death of her husband, Marie is 44 years old and she will receive a second Nobel Prize despite the death of her husband. She continues her studies and scientific work. She is a snappy woman who never lets go and who never back down. When the World War, Marie went to the battlefield of Verdun with mobile radiography units to create an ambulances called Les Petites Curies. Its radiology stations are said to have saved more than one people during the war. At 55 years old, she is the first woman to enter the medical academy. In the late of 1920, she fell ill, and it was on July 5, 1934, that she died of leukemia following a prolonged exposure to radioactive substances. In my opinion, she was one of the most courageous and smart women in the history, and she is still the only one to have won 2 Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields. The last year, I had the chance to saw her scientific production at the Maria Sklodowska-Curie Museum in Warsaw, and it is very impressive and very meticulous for the time. Marie Curie was a woman with a lot of ambition, who fight in her life and who made a lot of progress in science, in French science and science in general. So it's finished, and I hope you like it because I put all my heart for the best accent and best work. Bye.